Hey guys, welcome back to the Flawless Beauties channel. I hope y'all are doing great today, and I'm super excited to share an awesome product by Mibello with you today. It is their Fermented Spirulina soap bar. And guys, I've been really working on my skincare this past year. It's super important. I know most of us just get into the shower, maybe, use some shampoo or something, on our face. Sometimes we even forget about it. But throughout the day, there's buildup, there's gunk, there's dirt. We go to the gym, we work, and it's really important to wash your face to keep your skin healthy and to keep it nourished and moisturized and clean and free of all of that dirt and gunk. So the Mibello Fermented Spirulina soap, guys, if you don't know what fermented spirulina is, it is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, enzymes, and it really helps to moisturize your face and keep it clean, but it is a gentle cleanse. I'm gonna open this up and show y'all the bar soap. And look at how awesome that is. It is very convenient. I'm used to the liquids and just pouring a ton on your face. You don't know how many, but this all comes in the bar soap like this. It foams really nice and easily, giving you that gentle cleanse. And this is the single box that they have. But they also come in a 3-pack like this, and you can put it on your face to moisturize it, and you can also use it on your body. So it's formulated with shea butter as well, and it is supposed to smell like a light cherry blossom scent. So I'm super excited to try these out with y'all. We are going to wash our face, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to use this Mibello Fermented Spirulina bar soap. Work up a rich, creamy lather. Apply foam over the skin. Massage on your skin for 1 minute. Rinse with warm water. Enjoy your freshly moisturized face. So after washing my face, y'all can see it is really soft. It feels really great. It already feels like I have moisturizer on my face. Guys, y'all need to check out Mibello. You can go on their website at Mibello Skincare, or also they are on Amazon. I would definitely get the 3-pack because it was amazing. Yeah, it definitely feels like almost like I exfoliated my face. It feels super smooth. It lathered, you could see in the video, it lathered really easily. Yeah, it feels like I already have moisturizer on. It's definitely moisturizing, and it feels super clean and lightweight, and I'm ready to go about my day. So guys, make sure to check them out. Definitely a rare find here. Until next time, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.